is all around us. Not only science can do that. There are numbers everywhere. We also solve mentally in our everyday lives, just like what we do when we give our transportation fare. But if you're talking about fractions and decimals, looks like it's a little complicated. Adding and subtracting fractions have the same process. Find the LCD and the only difference is the operation that you're going to use. If it is about adding and subtracting decimals, we just align the decimal points and continue solving it. Now, we are going to discuss about multiplying fractions and decimals. Let's try this one. Again, let's multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the two fractions. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. As you can see, the result can be simplified into lowest terms. Let's divide this by 3 over 3 so that we can get 2 over 7. Why? 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. And that's the correct result. Taran! Fractions can be in an improper form, which is the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here's an example of multiplying improper fractions. So let's multiply 7 over 2 with 3 over 2. The process is still the same. Multiply the numerator to the other numerator and the denominator to the denominator of the other fraction. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 2 is 4. It can also be in a mixed form, like this. A whole number is present, which is 1. Let's multiply this mixed number or fraction by 4/5. First, transform the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Let's multiply the denominator to its whole number and add it to the numerator. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. The result will be the new numerator and copy the denominator, which is 3. After this, do the same process. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 5 is 15. Let's divide it by 5 so that it will be 20 divided by 5 is 4. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 4/3. Multiplying decimals is quite hard. Decimal places and points are important. Let's have this one. 1.6 times 3.5. First, let's multiply normally and ignore these decimal points. 6 times 5 is 30, carry 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18, carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So let's add these, bring down 0. 8 plus 8 is 16, carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next is to count the decimal places. Let's start from here. 1. So there are 1 decimal places for this one. And here, there's also 1. To get the final result, add these two. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So the final result has 2 decimal places. 5.60. Why? Let's start from here. 1, 2. Or it can be 5.6.